So I'm up on the ladder right now. Y'all can't even see me, but just me up on the ladder. I'm over here sanding down. You see my work that I did. So that stuff I gotta sand down. So that's what I'm over here doing. So just trying to make sure it's smooth. Because I gotta paint. So I did this part of the work yesterday. And let me turn around some. I did this work yesterday. And in the midst of me, it was too late, so I stopped. So this is me finishing up my part. So I can sand it down so I can paint. So trying to keep my costs low and make it do what it do. I'll be done in a minute though. Peace.